everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are discussing about MS Word. So MS Word stands for Microsoft Word, and by default we are going to call it as a document. So what is meant by document? Document is nothing but where we can able to create any types of letters, either it might be a resume or your CV, or if you want to create any timetables, these all we can able to create through documents. And the best feature is that many tabs has been there where some details has been inbuilt means already they are ready made, simply we need to use it. So basically when you see MS Word, here we are going to have a first office button. This symbol whatever you are going to see now, it is known as a office button, which consists of new option, open, save as, print and prepare, send, publish and close. These are the options what you are having in MS Office button, or you can also known as a office button, and these it is known as a save button, and here this is known as a undo and this is known as a redo buttons. So here when you click on this one, this complete area what you are seeing above is known as a ribbon, RIBBON. It is known as a ribbon tab. So whatever we are going to say, it is known as a ribbon tab. So here this complete area is known as a ribbon, RIBBON. This is very important. Everyone need to remember this one. So this is known as a ribbon. So here, so these all whatever you are seeing here, from here to here, this complete area is known as a ribbon tabs. And here you are having different tabs. Here we are having home tab, insert tab and page layout tab, reference tab, mailing tab, review tab and view tab. So what we are going to call them as tabs. It's a home tab, HOME, home tab, TAB. You need to pronounce as a home tab, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review and view. So these are the tabs which are present on the ribbon tab. These all are the tabs which are present on the ribbon tab. Apart from that, here whenever I'm clicking home, you can see some options. So what all these, here you can see clipboard, font, paragraph, and these all you can see as a styles and editing. So what all these are called as? These all are called as a command tabs, or these are known as a command groups. You can say as a command group. Home command group means whenever you click on home tab, these are the command groups whatever you are having. We are having clipboard command group, font command group, paragraph, styles and editing. If you click on insert, here you are having different command groups. You are having pages, tables, illustrations, links, header and footer, text and symbols. Once again, if you click on page layout, you can see different command groups: themes, page setup, page background, paragraph and arrange. And the same manner you can see in reference, you can see in mailing, as well as review tabs and view tabs. So every tab is having their own command groups. So whenever whatever you want, according to that you need to first select a tab, then you need to select the options or the command groups. So today we are going to discuss the first about what is MS Word. As I said you earlier, here these all are known as ribbon tab, and this button is known as a minimize button, and this is known as a maximize button, and this is known as a close button. So if suppose you can directly click on this into mark, which is known as a close button, or here we can able to directly click on close. Two options are there. And apart from that, here if I am talking about any tab, first we'll be discussing about home tab. So what are these all are known as command groups. These all are known as command groups. So the basic thing, if I want to write anything, if you check here, if when I am typing anything, if I press enter key, automatically here you can able to see a red color line. So what it means, there is a spelling mistake. So by default here MS Word will show if there is any spelling mistake in a form of a red color line. And apart from that, if you want to make something bold, so I'll be typing here hello and suppose welcome. So if you want to type as hello, so see, if you see some things are highlighted, so whenever these are known as a toggle buttons, so you need to off this one. It is like a on and off buttons, so you need to off this one. So whenever we are going to use anything, suppose if I want to write welcome to MII classes, So this I want to highlight. If you want to highlight, the first thing everyone need to remember that you need to select this one. Selection is very important. Without selection you can't do anything. So if I want to select any of these options, the first and foremost thing is that you need to select this one. I'll be selecting like this. You can click on bold. Bold means it will become somewhat dark. If you see, there is a changes, and once again if I click, it will be normal. So what I said, these are known as a toggle buttons. Toggle is like a on and off. If you want, click on bold. If you want underline, U stands for underline and I stands for italic. If I click here, this is the thing what we have written. Is it clear? And suppose if I want to remove this one, once again make a selection, click on U, the line will be gone. Click on I, it will come into normal position and it will be bold itself. And apart from that, here if suppose I want to increase the size, here directly I can select and I can make the changes here. I can make the font size, whatever font size you want, or there is a shortcut. Simply you can make like this. This is for increasing the size and this is for decreasing the size, the font size, whatever the font size you want. And here also see, normal, back, it will be erased. Whatever we have done, that will be erased. So here less, it is going to increase the size, and once again bold. If you want, use that bold, and then underline, italic, as I already said you. So apart from that, if you want to highlight anything, if you want to add anything here in the starting, simply these are the options which are known as bullets. So I can simply select this one, then just press enter. Automatically you'll be getting welcome to MIA classes, then it's MS Word, then enter. You'll be getting automatically document. So whatever you are typing, it will come by default. If you don't want this one, simply press 2 times enter, that will be gone. In the same manner you can insert the numbers also. See, 1 I'll be writing as suppose mango, the fruit names, 2 is apple, then orange. So by default whatever you are entering, it's banana. So enter, once again enter, that numbers also will be lost. So what these are known as? These are known as bullets and these are known as numbers. So these all things, everything is having one type of format or one type of thing which has been inbuilt in these tabs. If you want to see, these are known as a line spacing. Line spacing means suppose if I have selected this one like this, I want more space. See, it is given as 1.15. I want 2.5. The size has, see the difference. There is a line space. Got it? It depends on you. But as I said, you selection is very important. If you are not selecting, I just show you. Only for these things I have selected. Up to apple I have selected or mango I have selected. So this here I have selected. Then go here and click on 1. See, the size, the line, these two we have not selected, only up to apple we have selected. So that line has been appeared only for the apple. The spacing, line spacing means the space what you want between the lines. So then this is going to be happen. I hope everyone is going to be clear. And moreover, if you want to check or if you want to save the document, saving, why we required to save any document? Only because if I want to use in further, I need to save the document. So here by default you can see the name as a document 1. So if you want to save, you can have any options. Directly you can click on this one, this button which you are going to see as a floppy. This button you'll be getting as a save as window. This is known as a save as window. Or simply go to office button, click on save, the same window will open. Or directly press Ctrl plus S from the keyboard. The same it is going to be open. Wherever you want, simply select the location. Locations are nothing but where I want to save my document. Suppose in the desktop I want to save the document. You please check here. It is written as document 1. Now I will be changing the name as MII classes. Suppose I want to give the name as MII classes. So this is the name, or simply I want to give as MII. Then in the desktop, write as MII, click on save. Once I click on save, the name of document 1 will be replaced by MII. So this is the basic thing why we are going to save anything. It means in further, suppose if I close this one, if I want to open once again, simply directly how to open, go to start menu, and once in the start menu you can able to see MS Office, or directly type here in the search tab as Word document. Whenever you see here MS Word, click on open. Once I click on open, just see what is going to be happen. You are going to see once again a blank document. So here if I want to get that things what I have saved, go to this option and see, you need to click on open. We can open only the documents which has been saved. Click on open, and then here select the location where we have saved. I have saved somewhere in the desktop. Click on desktop. This is my document. Select the document, click on open. So this is the thing what we have done, and these are known as scroll bar. This is known as a scroll bar. What you are going to see now, up and down, it is known as a scroll bar. So this is the thing. So today we have just discussed the basics of MS Word. In the next class or in the next topic, we will be discussing in detail about MS Word. So if you have any doubts, please comment, and thank you.